Hi, my name is Brenda Lormel Raymond, oncology nurse practitioner, founder and lead consultant for VDI, a healthcare consulting company. In the United States, breast cancer remains a major concern, impacting countless lives. Breast cancer is the second leading cause of death among women, claiming thousands of lives each year. Black women are particularly affected. Today, we want to emphasize the importance of mammogram exams. Breast cancer affects millions of women nationwide, but early detection can save lives. A mammogram is a simple, non invasive procedure that can detect abnormalities in the breasts before they can be felt. By scheduling regular mammograms, you're taking charge of your health and increasing the chances of early detection, which leads to better healthcare outcomes. We urge all women, especially those over the age of 40 years old, to prioritize getting their mammograms. It's a small investment of time that can have great impact on your health. Let's unite as a community to support and uplift all women in this battle.
Maladie sida kontinue ap fè ravaj. Li deja touye 40,4 milyon moun nan le moun antye. Men, ak progrè la syans, maladi sa an ba kote jodi ya. Dapre Organizasyon Mondial la Santé, en décembre 2022, te gen 39 milyon moun ki tap viv ak sida. Le maladi a te fèk komanse, se te yon sentans pou lan mor. Jodi ya, sida se yon maladi kronik, tankou diabet ak tansyon, paske gen remèd pou kontrole sida. Medikaman pou sida diminue kantite virus ak nivou aktivite virus a genyen nan komoun. Si test HIV ou pozitif, sa pa vle di ou gen sida, mais sa vle di ou nan route pou al devlope maladi sida. Si ou pren remèd ou régulièrement, virus a vin indétectable et puis il vin intransmissible. En anglais, on dit undetectable equal untransmissible. Ça veut dire you equal you. En créole, il fait indétectable égale intransmissible. So nous-mêmes, nous dit 1 égale 1. Remèd yo ap diminue risque ou genyen pour développer maladie sida. Yo pap ka détecter gem nan sang. Ça veut dire ou pas ka passer gem nan ba l'autre monde. Haïtiens, mes frères, yon de l'autre, on nous bloque sida.
Well, my name is Gary Keefe Sr. I'm a 35-year resident of Brockton, married, husband, father of 7, and a grandfather to 10. My children have gone through the Brockton public school system and have come out okay. My grandchildren right now are starting to go through the system, and I'm in the community. So I'm there. I was there this morning to support our teachers and our children, to let them know that they're loved and they're cared for and that we support them. Just the amount of people that actually came there this morning, I was really, I was overwhelmed with the support that we did get. We had a nice turnout. I wish that we could get more people to attend events like this, as far as attending our school committee events, attending the city council meetings. Just the support was there this morning. The love was there. People were there together, regardless of their political ideas or reasoning or backing. They were there for one reason, and that was our schools. that we don't need the National Guard in our schools. We need community backing. We need parents to be involved. We need the community to be involved. This is our city, and we need to do whatever it is that we can to support our community in any way that we can, which means that if there's other men like myself that we can, if we have to go and police the hallways in Brockton High School, then so be it. That's what we need to do. We need to stand up. We can't stand around and wait for somebody else to do the job. We also need to send a message to our elected officials that enough is enough. We're tired right now of what's going on in our city. It has nothing to do about who was elected and who wasn't elected. It has to do with you were there to represent us. Okay, the election is over. Now it's time to do your job, and your job is to represent us and put us first, not your own agendas.
It was recently brought to the attention of the Brockton School Committee that an approximate $14 million deficit exists for FY23's budget. Mr. Thomas informed the committee that he would be out on an extended medical leave, and he did not attend our executive session this evening. The committee is acutely focused on formulating and implementing a leadership plan that provides the support and services and the levels our students and families deserve. The Brockton School Committee met tonight to discuss next steps, and we will be noticing an emergency school committee meeting for tomorrow, Friday, 3:30 p.m. here at Brockton High School in the Rom Little Theater. As mayor and a BPS alum and a parent of a student in the BPS system, I'm extremely dismayed. Collectively, we are all dismayed by the situation, and we are committed to ensuring that we will rectify this situation, appoint new leadership, and move forward with our strategy and our concise strategy to deliver the best schools for our teachers, our staff, our students, our parents, and of course our guardians. No further comment at this time due to the personnel matters at issue, and I thank you and have a good evening. Thank you.
Thank you, Mayor.
Well, on that particular day, as I remember it, the mayor came out with the school committee behind him, and they said that earlier that day they had just found out about the financial deficit. Later on, it comes to find out that that wasn't true. Okay? They didn't just find out that day. The mayor knew about it months, and even from what we're hearing, a year and a half before then. And, you know, that right there leaves a bad taste in my mouth. The thing is that we were lied to. Everything is not being transparent. And, you know, basically you're telling us anything and you're asking us to buy it. You know, this is Brockton. This is the city of champions. You know, we're smarter than that, and we're better than that, and we're not accepting it. Well, I think it's totally wrong. First of all, there's no board of any companies or anything else that has an even amount of members, okay, because then you're always going to have a problem as far as the voting goes. Okay, so now I understand that our school committee has 7 ward members. The mayor makes 8 as the chairperson. In my opinion, the mayor should not have a vote. The reason being is that you're going to have other situations that arise like this to where there's going to be a 4-4 vote, which should never happen. We have 7 ward members, and that will give us a 4-3 vote on any occasion. So right now, I think that the mayor, to really show transparency and leadership in this city, should not vote. He should remove himself from voting on this right now. The other thing is that with the crisis that's going on financially with the school budget, I think that there should be some change for the sake of transparency. Okay, whether you like Tony Rodriguez or you don't like Tony Rodriguez as the next vice chair, and I'm not talking here in favor or against. What I am saying, though, is that for the sake of transparency, then there should be some change there. You should not be asking us to accept Mayor Sullivan as the chair and the same vice chair, okay, after everything that has happened. Again, you're looking us right in our eyes and you're asking us to eat the porridge. Okay? We're not buying it. This is Brockton. Again, I'm going to say this. This is Brockton. And we're not second class citizens. We're the city of champions. And we demand more. That's true again. Now, I done heard conflicting stories on that. I heard that the audit is almost done. Then I heard we haven't even started the audit. So, again, for the sake of transparency, who's really telling the truth? We don't know. And I think that shows a lack of poor leadership. That's poor leadership in our community. And I'm not just putting it all on the school committee. I'm putting it on the school committee, the chairperson of the school committee, which happens to be the mayor. I'm putting it on the city council, who no one is stepping up and demanding what we need in this city right now. Everyone is sitting back and waiting for the next person to do the job. But the standout this morning should say to everyone, we're tired of it. And we're not just going to, that's not something that just didn't happen this morning. We're going to try to get out there again and again and again until our voice is heard. And although the mayor showed up this morning, and I really don't know why he showed up, unless it was for a photo op, because of the fact that you are the chairperson, you are the mayor of the city, and all of this starts and stops with you, Mr. Mayor. Okay, so you being there this morning showed nothing, said nothing to us at all, because we're still dealing with this crisis. So, like I said, I don't know why it happened, but if he can hear my words, you need to step back. Let the school committee take their votes. Be the mayor, but be the mayor for all the people, not just for the people that voted you in. Totally against it. Again, as a U.S. Army veteran, we're not under martial law here in Brockton. We do not need the military to be our teachers or to babysit our children. What we do need, though, and on the sake of those 4 school committee members that asked for the National Guard, like I said, I don't think their hearts are in the wrong place. I think they were definitely in the right place in my opinion. But we did need that national attention, because this crisis needs to be addressed. Now the news is out there and people around the country are seeing what's going on in Brockton, and hopefully the right people hear it and they take the action to make sure that this is addressed properly. As far as the National Guard goes, no, we do not need the National Guard. We have a community that supports our schools, and we are ready to stand up, every man, woman, and child, to do what we need to do to take our city back, take our school back, and to get it where it needs to go. But it also starts with the financial budget. The question is, where's the money? If we had the money, we would have the teachers. If we had the money, we would have the school police. If we had the money, we would have after-school programs to keep our children engaged into the parents, the children that are in one-parent households came home from work. The after dark program that we have for about a few weeks or a month in the summertime, we need that every day. And Brockton had the money to do so. So the question is, again, where's the money? That is the question. The thing is that alone we can't do anything. Again, the mayor has to step up and work with us. And if the mayor can't do that, then Governor Healy, please step in. We need the help here in Brockton. And if it means that DESE takes over the schools, the state takes over the city of Brockton, something needs to be done drastically, because if we don't do something now, we're not going to be able to bring this back.
Hi, my name is Brenda Lormel Raymond, oncology nurse practitioner, founder and lead consultant for VDI, a healthcare consulting company. In the United States, breast cancer remains a major concern, impacting countless lives. Breast cancer is the second leading cause of death among women, claiming thousands of lives each year. Black women are particularly affected. Today, we want to emphasize the importance of mammogram exams. Breast cancer affects millions of women nationwide, but early detection can save lives. A mammogram is a simple, non invasive procedure that can detect abnormalities in the breasts before they can be felt. By scheduling regular mammograms, you're taking charge of your health and increasing the chances of early detection, which leads to better healthcare outcomes. We urge all women, especially those over the age of 40 years old, to prioritize getting their mammograms. It's a small investment of time that can have great impact on your health. Let's unite as a community to support and uplift all women in this battle.
Maladie sida continue à faire ravage. Li déjà touye 40,4 millions de monde dans le monde entier. Mais, avec progrès la science, maladie ça en bas code jodi a. D'après l'Organisation mondiale de la santé, en décembre 2022, il y a 39 millions de monde qui t'a vive avec sida. Les maladies a été fait commencer, c'était une sentence pour la mort. Jodi a, sida c'est une maladie chronique, tant que diabète et tension. Parce que il y a un remède pour contrôler sida. Médicaments pour sida diminuent quantité virus et niveau activité virus a gagné dans commun. Si test HIV ou positif, ça pas veut dire ou gen sida, mais ça veut dire ou en route pour développer maladie sida. Si vous prenez un remède régulièrement, le virus devient indétectable et puis il devient intransmissible. En anglais, on dit undetectable equal untransmissible. Ça veut dire you equal you. En créole, il fait indétectable égale intransmissible. So nous-mêmes, nous dit 1 égale 1. Remède a diminué le risque au gagné pour développer maladie sida. Yo pas qu'à détecter gène dans sang. Ça veut dire ou pas qu'à passer gène dans l'autre monde. Haïtiens, mes frères, y'une de l'autre, on nous bloque sida.